Hey guys, it's me, back on Ancient. Today I'm going to be shooting a simple little video of me trying to make a maze game, and I'll be referencing the maze from the Maze Runner movie series, and actually it's just the first movie, and I'll be using these two little tiny balls as my escapees. So there's going to be a box at the center, and I'm going to use these guys to find a way out. So yeah, it's gonna be a fun little game to play with your friends. It's a lot of work for you and very little work for them, but it's gonna be a fun work, whatever it is. So first things first, I gotta make a quick little layout. Now I'll make the center about this big, right? And I'll have 4 doors open on each side. And then I'll randomly arrange different layers of mazes. And there's going to be, wait, I need my, where did I put my compass? So either way, I'll be using another piece of cardboard to make all the walls and stuff. So yeah, I'll see you when the basic layout is done. I think this is gonna be a very short video because it's a lot of work, but it's a bit too much that I can't show all of it in the video, so I'm gonna have to do it off camera. So I'll see you in the next step. Alright, so the basic plan I've made over here is pretty simple, so let me quickly explain it to you. I've got a center box right there, so that's our starting point, and I've got like 6 layers. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yeah, 6 layers of circles. So I'm gonna fill all those layers with cardboard, like circular cardboards, and then I'm gonna make holes on different parts of it, on different areas, or like points on the circumference of the circles, and those are going to be the way out, but I'm going to be blocking them by constructing walls like these at random places all over the map, right? So there are like 4 exit places, and only one of them is going to guarantee an actual exit, and there are 8 sectors right there, right? So those are going to be all free for exiting, but I'm going to think what I'll do about the mazes on this side later on as I go. So basically that's what the plan is. So I'm quickly gonna cut out a lot, by which I mean a lot of strips of paper using this cardboard right here. I think yeah, and then I'll see when it's finished, I guess. I don't know what else there is to do. Alright, so I turned the layout into an actual 3D piece. So here's how it turned out from all the angles. There are 8 sectors in total, but if you look close enough, there's not a single definitive solution to this maze. So the next step would be to create a solution. Now before I do that, before I proceed with the cutting stuff, I will quickly show you guys how I did this, how to get to this step from the previous step. Well, basically all I did was make a lot of circular strips of paper, and then like stick the circle first, right? Then I cut like rectangular pieces like these ones right there, and then I put them in between the circles to create a random look. After that I did these lines to divide it, and then I added some random designs that makes it look like a maze. But these outer sectors are not going to be that challenging, it's just there for show. Now I used hot glue for this. Okay, so the first thing would be to find, actually this is gonna be a bit difficult. Let me do that. 2 solutions there. And alright, so the first step will be we'll have 2 options, either there or there, and then if you pick this one, you've got some options here, I hope, and then there will be one more option right there. And this one will be a false hole, there's nothing there. And then let's make one right there. Alright. And I'm gonna spoil it for you guys. I think I'm gonna go for this part, this segment, right there as my correct answer. So if the person goes on the other 3 direction, it's gonna be wrong. So that's how I'm gonna solve this maze. So I'm gonna rip these centerpieces off like this. But in doing so, I ended up breaking the hot glue, so I might need to do the hot gluing part later on again, but I'm too lazy, so maybe not. This is a good model, so I might just want to treat this as a model, but if you guys want to make it a game, then you're free to do so. Alright, now once you get there, you've got one solution here leading to another solution straight ahead, leading to a dead end right over there. Perfect. Oops. Alright, so if I were supposed to pick that route, this is how it would look like. Alright, I'd do that, I'd do that, I'd do this, I'd go down there, I'd go, and that would be a dead end, so that would be a wrong solution. Now let's move on to another wrong solution, which is taking this route, this route, and it leads to, let's go over here. Alright, so it leads to this, which then leads to Alright, actually let's go leaning towards not making this a solution. I think it should be more of a dead end. No, I think this should be one solution. So I'm gonna make 2 solutions for this maze, so there's not just one place to exit but 2. One of them being here, right over there, and then the other one being this place. So there's one straight one and a curved one. So either way, here's a cool little maze. Alright, so it's got 3 solutions, I would say, and to solve it I will use this guy, but I think I've got smaller ones, but I can't find it. Smaller ones would be easier. Let me search for them. Alright, so I found it. Here's the one. It's just a round piece of plastic. Now I'm gonna drop this guy right in the center, and I know the correct answer, so I'm definitely gonna take the correct route, or more appropriately, the best possible route. Getting stuck in the glue area. There you go. I don't think you guys can see where I'm heading, but I'm right there. There you go. We're out of the maze. Now let's try with the metal one as well, but I think it will be hard because let's try the other route. Yeah, it will be hard because it's gonna stick to places and stuff. Oh, almost there. Oh no, this is so tricky. That's what makes it fun, right? Okay, this hole is not big enough. There you go, solved it by 2 methods. Now there's one more method which is just the same place, but well, now I'm gonna name these sectors just for fun. Let's call this one the best sector. We'll call this sector 8, and we'll start calling these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright, it's a dead giveaway because the sector 8, the number 8 is my favorite, so people that know me will probably try to exit from here, but let's make fake entrances or exits all over the map just to trick people. Now these are fake, these don't lead anywhere, they just open up but don't go all the way in, if you know what I mean. Okay, this is really hard to cut. I think it's double papered. Oh, it's the thick one. Alright, let's ignore that. Let's cut this side. There you go. And then let's make a fake exit here as well. That leads to nowhere. Here as well. That leads to nowhere. And obviously I can't open this guy up because it's the same thing. So yeah. Sector 7 and Sector 1 will be forever closed for reasons unknown. Well, it's not unknown, it's pretty obvious. If I open those 2 up, I'll make 2 more solutions. Now that's about it. This is how I make a maze. And you could use this trick to play around, have fun, create new ideas. And yeah, that's about it. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you got some inspiration to do some paper crafts, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment me down below what should I do next in my next videos, and share my videos. Thank you, bye bye.